Cables everywhere. Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, I receive very often questions which type of Tesla speakers has really not bad sound. So I decided to put here on the table some types of, or two types of old Tesla speakers, and I must say I prefer the sound of such a oval with paper cone old Tesla ARV 081. They were produced from 60s up to 80s. This one, which you can see or you could hear just now, is produced regarding the alphabetical code on the speaker in February 1982. But I have older ones. The oldest, I think, is this one with this blue, not red, but blue letters on the label, but there is no alphabetical code, so I think that it will be early 60s. And then I have here, you cannot read the label, but I have here the alphabetical code RO, and it means that it's from the May 1965, if I say it correctly. November 1965. The most of old Tesla speakers have this alphabetical code, 2 letters, and if you are interested, you can see the list of these codes on my website Angelicaaudio CZ. On the main page you can read Tesla TVM. You click and then you will find the list of the codes. So I must say I prefer the sound of such speakers than these newer ones, newer 80s last century Tesla ARV 3604. But for my ears are better such older ones with paper cone. So if you are looking for some really not bad sounding tweeters or other speakers, write me in comment or write me per email. You can find it on my website Angelicaaudio CZ on the page contact. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and if you would like, you can also join my channel. YouTube approved a few months ago the membership, so you can click on the join and read the conditions. You receive some perks, you can see all videos as members first, and there is also some giving out some gifts for members only. So once more, thank you and have a nice day.